looking at the figure here, 4 pairs. Somebody give me a pair. This angle is congruent to that angle. What do you think, guys? Max?
2 and 6.
Max said 2 and 6. What do you guys think?
No. Is that not right?
Wait, no, it is. 2 and 6 is one. Another one. 4 and 5 are one. Why are 4 and 5 congruent? What's the relationship?
Opposite interior.
Alternate interior, exactly. Next. 2 more. There's literally like 16 different pairs up there.
I was thinking 17.
3 and 7, right?
Yep, 3 and 7 are corresponding.
1 and 5.
1 and 5 are corresponding. Good. 3, what did you say? 3 and 7. 1 and 5. Yeah, so there's a bunch of them. There's 4 of them. So all these different angle pair theorems tell you that if you have parallel lines right here, if you have parallel lines and this transversal goes through the parallel lines, it makes congruent angles out of all these angle pairs that we learned in the first section. Identify 2 pairs of supplementary angles, not including linear pairs. Supplementary angles. Number 2. Yep.
1 and 3, is that one? Or is that
1 and 3. It's a linear pair. It says don't include linear pairs.
2 and 5.
Huh?
2 and 5.
2 and 5. What's the relationship between 2 and 5?
I forget what.
Oh, wouldn't 4 and 7 work then?
4 and 7 also work. What's the relationship between 4 and 7? It's the same answer as 2 and 5.
Interior.
Same side interior. Yeah. Same side interior are supplementary when you have parallel lines. If measure of angle 1 is 70, what's the measure of angle 8? We just did this on the Khan Academy assignment.
If angle 1 is
100 and.
Nope. 1 and 8 are alternate exterior. Huh? They're 70.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, alternate exterior angles are congruent when it's formed by a transversal through 2 parallel lines. Number 4. If angle 4 is 70, angle 7 is 2x. 4 and 7. What's the relationship?
4 and 7.
Not the word's not necessarily linear. It's but I think I know what you mean. Number 2, it said they were supplementary. What's that mean?
180.
Yeah, we said 4 and 7 were supplementary. So that means that 70 plus 2x equals 180.
And 110.
So 2x would equal 110, which x would equal the old double nickel, 55. Exciting stuff.
It is.
Number 5. In your own words here, how are alternate interior angles, how's that theorem and the alternate exterior angles theorem alike, and how are they different? I mean, if you just look at the words, the phrase, alternate interior compared to alternate exterior, how are they alike?
They're both
They're both alternate.
alternate.
They're on opposite sides of the line.
And they're different because one's inside,
One's inside, one's outside. So write that one down in your own words. All right, number 6. In the diagram, angle 1 and angle 8. They're supplementary. What's a name? What would be a good name for the angle pair 1 and 8? What do you think? Yep, 1 and 8.
Ain't they alternate exterior?
Are they alternate? They look exterior to me. They are on the outside, but they're not alternate.
Well, same side.
Then they're same side. Yeah, if they're not alternate, then they're same side. So you can call this same side exterior. Don't you think? All right, next page. Questions, comments, repeats for that?
Today?
Okay, we're jumping to 11 now. So angle 1 and angle 2, justify your answer. What's the measure of angle 1? What do you think? What? Measure of angle 1, number 11.
Not 90.
That's 75.
Oh.
So it'd be 75.
Yeah, then what's angle 2? Look at the 72. Or look at number 2. Okay, if that's 75, that can be 75. They're a linear pair.
They gotta equal 180. Don't
Got to equal 180. So if one is 75 of the 180, what's 2? 105.
105.
Yeah, Max, good. So number 12. Looks fuzzy to me. It's hard to see. 120 is the angle. So that is 120. What's angle 1?
120.
Yeah, we should be able to just buzz right through these guys. Angle 1 is 120. What is angle 2?
80. I just said 80.
You meant 60. Good.
Max.
Hey, I'm proud of you guys. You're really getting this. Okay, on here, the next one, you got to be a little bit careful here. Where are the parallel lines? They're right here. And the transversals are here. So your angle pairs, 70 and angle 2, are alternate interior. And then there's another set over here, because there's another transversal. So 80 and angle 1 are your same side interior. So if we have 80 here and angle 1 there, what is the measure of angle 1?
80. No.
They're same side interior.
70.
If that's 80,
100.
same side interior have to add up to be 180, right? So if 80 of it is over there,
100.
2 is 80, ain't it?
2 is
Oh, it'd be
70. Yeah, they're alternate interior. Let me press pause here. 14, find the value of x. Again, here's the parallel lines. You have to think about what is the relationship between these two values. So what is the relationship between x and x minus 50? Yeah, they're same side interior, which somebody besides Tariq here tell me. Same side interior angles. What's their relationship? Are they congruent, complementary, supplementary? We're on number 14, guys. What were they on the previous 8 questions? Yeah, they're supplementary. Which means you add them up and set them equal to 180. You add them up and set them equal to 180. Then you can solve. X plus x is 2x. Add over 50 and divide by 2. So I got x equals 115. Does that answer my question?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Well, it says find the value of x, then find the measure of each labeled angle. Okay, well this labeled angle is x, so that's 115. And then this labeled angle down here is 115 minus 50. So that would be 65. Next, on 15. Again, sometimes the struggle is trying to find those parallel lines and what that where that transversal is. So that's what it looks like. So this angle here is pointing inside here. Okay, that angle is actually right there. And the angle x plus 40, what's their relationship? Same side interior, same side exterior, alternate interior, alternate exterior. They're not alternate, and that one's actually on the inside. That one's exterior.
Well, then what is it?
That's a great question. I want to ask you guys that. Well, then what is it? All right, well, we learned there was same side interior, same side exterior, alternate interior, alternate exterior, and you're missing one, which was corresponding.
Corresponding?
Yeah, the corresponding, where they match up, they're in the same spot.
How do you spell that?
So these are corresponding. Corresponding angles in this case are equal, they're congruent. So 3x minus 10 equals x plus 40. Going to subtract x, add over 10. So x will equal 25. What's that?
What's the answer to this question? No, man.
$16, find the values of the variables. Okay, again, are they same side interior, same side, on 16, are they same side interior, same side exterior, alternate interior, alternate exterior? Or are they? Yeah, they're in the same spot, they match up.
They're 90 degrees.
Yep, so the one's 90, and they're equal. We have to solve this algebra problem. It is 3p minus 6. So I will add 6, and then divide by 3.
Probably got the book. Yeah, but don't say said you left your nail for physics.
Oh, man. All right, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and then 3 goes into 6 2 times. So P equals 32. All right, 17's got a bunch of lines and stuff. So again, pay attention closely. You got the red arrow there and the red arrow there, right? Right. The red arrows indicate the parallel lines. So that's my line I'm looking at, and this is my line I'm looking at. And then this angle X here is made up by this line, same with Y. The angle down here, 3Y, is made up by this line. That's my transversal. So I can ignore this. I'll draw it in purple. I can ignore that line right there. It doesn't do anything for you. It doesn't create any angles that are labeled. So don't worry about it. All right. We got X and we got Y and we got 3Y. First off, what do we know about X and Y? They're letters in the alphabet. What's the relationship here of the X degrees and Y degrees? See how they make up a line? They're a linear pair. X plus Y equals... Yeah, if they make a linear pair, then they add up to 180. Here's what else we know. What's the relationship between X degrees and 3Y degrees?
They're on the same side.
Same side. Are they same side interior, same side exterior, or something else? They're corresponding, which means they are congruent to each other. Well, I said 3x plus. Okay, they are congruent. They equal each other. So what I'm left with is 2 equations with 2 unknowns, and I need to use some algebra techniques to solve that. One way we learn to solve 2 equations with 2 unknowns is with a substitution. So 3y equals x, which means anywhere I see an x, like right there, I could put a 3y. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to call this 3y plus y equals 180. So I'm plugging 3y into there and rewriting it down there. 3y plus y gives me a 4y, and I'll let you solve this out. What'd you get for y, party people? What?
45.
No way.
Yes, way.
Anybody get something else?
No. I got it.
Good, you shouldn't have gotten anything else. Yeah, y is 45.
Yay.
So if y equals 45, what does x equal?
Oh.
It says x is 3 times that, right? X is 3 times y. So it's 45 times 3, or what's 45 plus 45 plus 45?
Well, that's 90.
Where are my power lifters at? You got weights class?
135.
Yeah, it's 135. You got weights class, right? You put a 45,
Has
2 45s on, and the bar equals 45. What's that equal? 135.
135.
Have you put the test yet?
No, I haven't.
Wonder what I got.
Probably an A+.
Dude.
You don't think? Okay, number 18. People in ancient Rome played a game called... I can't see. Tourney Lapilli. Yep. The exact rules of this game are not known. Ah, sounds fun. Etching on the floors and walls in Rome suggests the game required a grid of two intersecting pairs of parallel lines, similar to the modern game tic-tac-toe. Okay. If two pairs of parallel lines intersect, like such, looks like tic-tac-toe. Measure of one of them is 90. Find the measure of each of the other 15 angles. Oh, that sounds like a lot of hard work.
Probably 90.
Yeah, they're all 90.
Tough one.
They made us read a book.
Yeah, they're all 90. Find the measure of each of the other 15 angles. Justify your answers. Here, let's justify it real quick. So they're all going to be 90. And let's look at why. So if there's like one, well, linear pairs are going to be 90. Vertical angles are going to be 90. Alternate interior are going to be 90. Alternate exterior are going to be 90. Corresponding is going to be 90.
I think it's 90.
Yeah, all those theorems is the word I'm looking for. All those theorems point us to the fact that they're all going to be 90. 19, error analysis. Which solution for the value of x in the figure at the right is incorrect? So which one is wrong? Not which one is right, but which one is wrong. Here's your parallel lines. These are on the same side interior. Tariq,
Yeah. I'm awake.
stay with me, man. All right. Same side interior. Which one is wrong? Are they equal? Are they supplementary? That's the basic difference between A and B.
Because that's less work.
A is wrong,
Because it's less work.
or A is right.
It's always right.
Well, look, I don't want you to guess now. Should these be supplementary or should they be congruent? Which one is it? I mean, just look at the angles. Do they look congruent? That one's an obtuse one. That's a cute one.
Whoops.
Yeah, the wrong one is A. That's wrong. So the right answer is A. It's wrong. What? All right, hey, we get out of here soon, don't we?
Yes, sir.
All right. Make sure you take your notebooks home. I won't see you for a week or so.
Did you publish?
What's that?